this example, 5x plus 2y equal 19 and 5x plus 3y equal 21. So the easiest way to do that is to subtract the two equations. If you don't like the word subtract, then multiply the second one by -1, okay? And then just add them, just add both equations. So 5x plus 2y is the left-hand side, and 19 is the right-hand side, right? That's in the first equation. And in the second equation, 5x plus 3y is the left-hand side, and 21 is the right-hand side. So we add, after we multiply by -1, we add the left-hand side to the left-hand side, and we add the right-hand side to the right-hand side. 5x minus 5x is 0. 2y minus 3y is minus y, and that should equal 19 minus 21 is minus 2. So y equal 2. Okay, so I got the value of y equal 2. Now, for the sake of explaining, I will substitute the value of y in both equations. So 5x plus 2 times 2 is 4 equal 19. So 5x will be 19, take away 4, and that should be 15. So divide by 3, both sides. So x will be 3. Okay, we substituted in this equation. What if we substitute in the second equation? So 5x plus 6 equal 21. So 5x will be 21. Take away 6 is also 15. So if we divide by 3, yeah, you get the idea, equals 3. So the solution for this is x equal 3 and y equal 2. And what that means that if we substitute x as 3 and y as 2 in both equations, they will be correct. So it should have appeared now. 3x plus y equals 7 and 5x plus y equal 5. So I want you to pause the video, try this question using the same method and see what you got, and then unpause the video. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to go through this question. We're talking 3x plus y equals 7 and 5x plus y equal 5. So let's multiply by -1 in equation 2. And this is equation 1. Okay, and I will use a different color pen just to differentiate between the two questions. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. And then the y minus y is 0. So that equals 7. Take away 5 is going to be 2. So minus 2x equal 2. So x equal what? Minus 1. Okay, because we divided by minus 2. Okay, lovely. Let's make sure that we write that correctly. Let's substitute in the first equation. So minus 3, because 3 times minus 1, plus y equals 7. So y equal, we add 3 to both sides, y equal 10. Okay, for the sake of explaining as well, we'll substitute in the second equation. Yes, 5 times minus 1, yes, you got it now. Minus 5 plus y equal 5. Add 5 to both sides, so y equal 10 as well. So the solution is x equal minus 1 and y equal 10. Okay, so this is the first method done.